Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Neumann Apex Drive Pro. First, unbox and check all components of the Neumann Apex Drive Pro. A typical setup includes the main device or interface controller, USB or power cables, a mount or base unit, and software access. Always make sure everything is included before starting. Next, connect the hardware properly by plugging the device into a power source and connecting it to your PC using USB or a network connection such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then turn the device on. Many systems require stable power and a direct connection, so avoid using USB hubs. After that, install the required software by downloading the official control software and installing it on your PC or Mac. Once installed, open the software because most Pro devices will not work fully without software control. Now, activate or register the device by creating an account and entering the serial number and activation code, then log in since activation is required for full features. Then connect the device inside the software by opening it and clicking Connect or Add Device and selecting your device from the list, as some systems auto-detect while others require manual pairing. Finally, configure inputs and outputs by selecting the device as the playback engine or interface and setting up input channels such as mic or line and output channels such as monitors or headphones, because proper input and output setup is required before recording. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.